Hello, have a good day, student. I'm going to talk about C++ development tools. Of course, there's a lot of tools, but now I exactly told you how many tools were useful, as I did all the time. I want to uh, explain to you three kind of mostly used tools, but also I will be tell you the configuration, the step, and also tell you the other three kind of tools, so almost six tools. But first I'm start from the deep C++. Okay, what's deep C++? Deep C++, I'm that's look like the UI. Then first step is you need to configure your compiler. Okay, as as you say right now already did compile, uh, configured it. So does this if I did, okay, if remove this compiler, usually it doesn't have any compiler at all. So you needed to first of all you needed to download this compiler from of course there's a two things you need to download, the two things, okay, mini GW or other compiler, whatever you comfortable to use, that's fine. Another one is if the make file doesn't exist, usually they should be included, but sometimes it doesn't exist. You need to download two separately the second file. So I already downloaded in my computer. Okay, let me show you. A little bit slow. Come on. Okay. So the first one is this one. Okay. So you have to put this um, put this folder in bin folder in the environment path. What the environment path is, you need to go to click the click your mouse and oh my god, this is too slow. Then open the properties. Then click the change setting. Then advanced, there's an environment variable. Then you need to add the pass. Think this is pass. You need to put this your bin folder. Put this in this here. Separate between the comma. Okay. So I already did it. Okay. The two things. So usually, okay. So main things, the two files, G++ compiler file. GCC is for C, G++ is C++. The two languages different, of course, they're very similar. Then also for sometimes you need debug, use this file. Then the fourth is if in this folder doesn't exist, you have to download separately, which is make. Okay, I downloaded separate file. This is make. Okay, so it's a 4. Okay, so whenever you download it, so you have to configure it. Otherwise, it's not included in the deep C++ tools. And you have to download separately. So there's doesn't exist it. Then you need to add it this compiler. Okay. Okay. Hold on a second. Okay. I needed to find my folder, okay, which is what? Which is this one. I just choose this folder. They will be found in this folder. Then you can able to see those things. But usually the file is it's the same place in the bin folder, but this doesn't exist. So you need to doesn't exist. You can check it yourself. If doesn't exist, it then you go back to uh, relocate it to new place. Okay, where is it? Make. It's not C make. It's you make. Okay, make bin. Okay, right. Okay, you did it. Then you will be able to come. Otherwise, you will be if otherwise you cannot compile it. Can you say you will be see there? Oh my God, gosh, I think no. Me, I think I needed to create new one in order to because there is also maybe include cache. So at the beginning you needed okay. So file you need to create new project, okay? Then you need to create console application. This is a very simple step. You don't necessarily to create Windows, but you will be learning in the future in the some other course. But now you just step from the simple one. This is project file, okay? Let's say project test, okay? Then C++, you choose C++. Also, you can able to create the C, but now we need to learn C++, okay? Okay, great. So, uh, desktop, I just need to create one of the test folder. Okay, then okay, fine. This is a this is a main function. Okay, then I'm going to write it a simple hello world. See out. This is see out very important. See out important. Hello. Okay. Then and the two word you have to write it down. Now you also need to this is, should be exist in std double space std. Otherwise you cannot find. If you don't use std, you have to write it using namespace std. Okay, at the time you don't necessary to use this one now, and just keep commented, okay, in order to check it. Now uh, right now you without any kind of compiler, so what will be happen? Okay, what will be happen, let me see. You can't run it. You can't run it. They say doesn't compile. So what's the problem is because they're trying to find this file, but they cannot find it. Even they don't have any kind of compiler. Compile project change. So that's the reason you need to compile it. Okay, you need to found it. Okay, so this one is doesn't exist it. So you need to find this file. Okay, now you can able to compile it. Okay, so what's the result is after did you say the G compile your file main22 cpp, then the output is this object file. Finally they will be generate this file. Okay, you will be see the result. This is a run. Hello. Okay, congratulate project test exe. So project test, this is a final file. Okay, So that's it. Uh, I will be explain later. So other things. For now, this is all about the C, um, div C++. Oh, okay, one more things. I also let you know what's debug, because this is just running. Debug is another very important skill. So I just want to let you understood what's debug. So first of all, int id a equal to file. Okay, int it's integer number, b equal to 2. Int result r equal to now nothing but r equal to a plus b. Okay, then std. mm, Mm, Now I'm not going to write std, but cout. Okay, cout. And the result would be c equal to c. Okay, c. Now, so first of all, I'm trying to build and run it. Okay. Now, what's happening here is because uh, I didn't use std. This is a prefix, so I have to use std. Okay, std, then should be fine. There's also needed to use std also. Std. Okay, hold on a second. Hold on. What's the problem? There's no c. It's r. Okay. Okay, so c is 7 because a equal to 5 plus 2 is 7, right? But I still didn't tell you what is debug. Debug is another skill. You need to give a point, give the break point, then they will be stop it as the place, then you can able to check it. Let you say the result, okay? First of all, then they will be going to stop here with the blue line. What's the problem? I think this is debug. Okay. Continue. Okay. So now this is a two-step. So what I want to know is I'm going to write those. I want to know what's R. Okay. What's R? What's A? Okay. A. A is 5. B is how much? 2. What's R? R is 0. R 0 because it still didn't add yet. But also, I just want to know add watch for R. What's R? R. No, okay. But now I'm one more step. Hold on a second. So now it's R 0, A B, B is 1, A is 5, So usually if before them assign the value, they will be get some kind of random value. Okay. Next line, okay, come here. So now is what's R is now the R is 7, right? So it just look like what's it? You can step by step executing the each of the logic, so you can find a way to solve some problem. So that's it. Good luck for learning. I hope you will ask some question if you didn't know about that. Goodbye.